I'm going to talk about 6 essential steps to prevent your family from feuding over your estate. Family's going to be stressed out and distraught enough after you die. Why leave them more of a mess? The best gift that you can give your family is a properly and well thought out estate plan that avoids some of these disputes. Will contests are fairly rare, but they do happen, especially when a will is drafted in circumstances that are questionable, such as when the decedent is in the hospital or sick or has dementia or anything like that. There's arguments that they lack capacity to do what they did, and especially if they decide to disinherit some of the heirs, then it makes it more likely that there might be some kind of will contest. So number one, what you can do to avoid a family dispute is get good advice from an estate planning attorney. Ensure that your estate planning attorneys are drafted properly and that they meet all the legal formalities under the law. Drafting them clearly to avoid misinterpretation, and also working with your attorney to anticipate potential contests and plan accordingly. Number two, you can put a no contest clause in your estate planning documents. So what a no contest clause says is that if someone disputes the will, if they contest the will, that if they lose, they get disinherited. This is a big stick to prevent, to disincentivize someone from contesting something in the will. Three, you can plan while you have capacity, and I touched on that already. Don't wait till the last minute. Don't wait till you're in the hospital. Don't wait until your mind already starts getting foggy. You do things while you're of sound mind, while you think clearly, while your health is well. Doing your will during this time frame will help ensure that your will is not disputed later. Number four, you can avoid the appearance of undue influence. So undue influence is when someone else someone else that's in the will perhaps convinces you to do something, to act adversely to one of the other heirs. Things that you can do to avoid the appearance of this is, by not playing favorites with your kids, especially at end of life, or saying things to the other kids like, this one's my favorite, they're going to get everything, that kind of thing. Gives more the appearance that someone's being influenced by one of their children, which could later pit all the children against each other and culminate in some kind of dispute during the probate process. Number five, you can consider using trusts. Different types of trust. One is a revocable trust, where everything can be put titled in the name of the revocable trust, and immediately upon either death, disability, or some other triggering event, the revocable trust becomes irreversible. And why this prevents a contest is because all the terms of the trust are private. The trust document is a contractual document. It doesn't need to be approved by a court, whereas a will has to be probated. It has to go through a court of law and be probated, and the will is actually filed of public record. So as soon as that will is filed of public record, anyone in the general public can find out about the terms of the will, whereas when you're using these trust documents, everything can be kept private, and the estate can pass without there being a public airing of what the terms of the trust document are. And finally, in number six, is communicate your intentions. Clearly, talk to your heirs about this is my will, this is what I'm going to do, this is what's going to happen. You can send an email to your heirs. You can provide instructions on where the trust documents are. You can tell them who the executor is going to be. While you're alive, you can express what is being expressed in the will. And when you do that, there's less of a chance that there's going to be a contest later. So hopefully these 6 tips help, and hopefully they help your family be as happy as they can be and as stress-free as they can be after an already stressful event in winding up your affairs. And like I said in the beginning, that's the best gift that you can give your loved ones, is by having the family not go into discord over the administration of your estate and everything that comes along with it.